Experience the vibrant culture of Madrid while respecting local customs. Understanding local etiquette not only enhances your travel experience, but also fosters goodwill with the residents. In Madrid, mealtime customs are crucial. Lunch typically occurs between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., while dinner starts around 9 p.m. The siesta culture means that many businesses will close in the afternoon, so it's wise to plan accordingly. Beyond mealtimes, Madrileños prefer a calm atmosphere, so keeping your voice down in public areas is appreciated. While many locals speak English, making an effort to use basic Spanish phrases can go a long way in building rapport. Dress codes also matter, especially when visiting churches. Ensure your attire is respectful by covering shoulders and knees. Finally, showing appreciation for Madrid's unique charm rather than comparing it to other cities will endear you to the locals. Embrace these etiquettes to enrich your Madrid experience and connect meaningfully with its vibrant community.